Hello friends, let's see how can we use ChatGPT. So it's very easy to use. Just open a browser and type the official website, which is chat.openai.com. You will see this page. It has two buttons, sign up and login. First time if you're using it, you have to sign up, and for signing up you need an email and the password. Once you provide that, you will see this page, and on this page you just see this dialog box, and in this dialog box you put the question, and the ChatGPT will be able to answer you anything you ask. So for example, I'm asking what is the best food in the world, and it is giving me a detailed answer of that question. So currently there are no ChatGPT standalone app for iOS or Android. If you want to use it on a phone, you have to open the Safari or browser and type the website, which is chat.openai.com. But I'm sure the people in OpenAI are already working on the app, and we should be seeing it soon.